Hey everybody, welcome back to another ArcGIS Pro tutorial here with me, Skip. Today I want to talk to you about the clip tool. It's another one of the most important tools that you can have in your arsenal as a GIS analyst. What we have here is a map of all the Jersey Mike sublocations in the United States and Canada. But let's say we're not interested in all the Jersey Mikes in the United States and Canada. We're only interested in the ones in Utah. How do we go about clipping our map here, all of our features, to only have the ones in Utah? Well, we'd use the clip tool, and it's very easy. So what I've done here is I've imported a shapefile of Utah, and you can see it now is overlaid there. So what we do is we come up to the Analysis tab on the ribbon, click on Tools, and you'll see the Geoprocessing tools open on the right, and we'll simply type in Clip, and the very first tool we have here is called Clip. It says that it will extract input features that overlay the clip features. Pretty straightforward. The input features of data set, that's going to be the features that you want clipped. We want our Jersey Mikes clipped. So we'll come in here and we'll select our Jersey Mike sublocation feature layer. Clip features is what are you going to clip to? Well, we're going to clip to this Utah shapefile so that we will only get the Jersey Mikes that are inside of Utah. Go ahead and click run. That's going to run really quickly. And if we turn off all of ours, we are now left with a nice little layer with only the Jersey Mikes that are in Utah. So that's quick and easy how to use the clip tool. Hope you found that useful. If you did, be sure to like the video, give me a subscribe. It's a nice free and easy way to support the channel. If you have any questions, drop those down in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks.